Welcome to Cengelköy. Cengelköy is a neighborhood in the municipality and district of Üsküdar, Istanbul province, Turkey. Its population is 13,801, 2022. It is on the Asian shore of the Bosphorus Strait, between the neighborhoods of Beylerbeyi and Kaleli. It is mainly a residential district. Many mansions were built there in the Ottoman period. There is a Greek church called Aya Yorgi in the district, which is not used much today. Abdullah Aga Mansion and Sadullah Pasha Mansion are important mansions in Cengelköy. From the 6th century, the port of Çengelköy was called Sofiani because of the palace Justin II built nearby for his consort Sophia. The name Çengelköy means hook village, and the origin of the name is uncertain. One story put forward is that the village is named after the 19th century Ottoman Admiral Cengiz Tahir Pasha, who had a mosque and waterside mansion built there. There is a Cengiz Street in Cengelköy. Another story derives the name from the Persian word çenker, crab, because of the abundance of seafood in the Bosphorus there. A 16th century Ottoman document apparently refers to the place as Cengelköy. Cengelköy is world famous for the small cucumbers once grown there, now grown in Kandira. Opened in 2015, the Mehmet Shakir Cultural and Sports Center, consisting of 6 indoor swimming pools, is the biggest sports complex on the Anatolian part of Istanbul. The Badetin Pavilion, also known as the Cengelköy Pavilion, an official residence of the presidency and a state guest house, is situated on a hill in Cengelköy. One History of Cengelköy. Explore the rich history of Cengelköy, from its Ottoman roots to its modern-day charm. Discover the stories behind this iconic Istanbul neighbor. What to do in Cengelköy. Uncover the best activities to enjoy in Cengelköy, whether you're looking for a peaceful stroll along the Bosphorus or exciting local experiences. 3. What to eat in Cengelköy. Indulge in the culinary delights of Cengelköy. From traditional Turkish breakfast spots to hidden gems offering the best local flavors. For what to see in Cengelköy, take a visual tour of the must-see landmarks and attractions in Cengelköy. Don't miss out on the beautiful seaside views and historic sites. Five Cengelköy's famous tea gardens. Discover the charm of Cengelköy's tea gardens, a perfect spot to relax and enjoy a cup of tea by the Bosphorus. Six. Shopping in Cengelköy. Explore the local markets and boutique shops that make shopping in Cengelköy a unique experience. Seven. Cengelköy's hidden gems. Find out about the hidden gems in Cengelköy that even locals love to keep secret. Eight. Cengelköy's art and culture. Dive into the vibrant art and cultural scene of Cengelköy, from galleries to local artisans. Nine. Day in the life of Cengelköy. Experience a day in Cengelköy, capturing the daily rhythm and local lifestyle of this picturesque neighborhood. Ten. Cengelköy's future. Look into the future of Cengelköy, exploring how this historic area is evolving while preserving its unique charm. If you like our videos and content and want them to come more, please subscribe to our channel. Also comment and like our videos. Thank you in advance.